Have you ever had a lot of money that you wanted to spend and just didn't know what to do with it? So welcome back to the channel, everyone. Toussaint Customs. Today is a pretty big day. It's, what time is it? It's 8:30 now. The gates open to the car show at 10 o'clock. It's a big rim racing car event at State Capitol Raceway in Port Allen. So we getting ready to go. We trying to gear everything up. We haven't bought this setup out in years, so I'm getting everything ready. I got some touching up on the trailer to do to make it, you know, look presentable. It's just over time it got really dirty, kind of faded with the sun. But like I say, for 4 years old, this setup looked real good. And here come the bike. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a car show here. So 9:30, I have a haircut appointment. I'm about to go get that taken care of on the way back. I got to get some new straps. I got some straps, but I want to get new straps just to make sure like they solid. I don't want nothing to go wrong with this setup while I'm pulling it. So I'm gonna get some new straps, a new chain. This chain, man, this chain rusted out bad. Oh my god, can't be riding like that. That's too bad. So I'm gonna head to the barbershop now, pick up the straps, chain, and then we're gonna try to load, well not try, we're gonna load this thing up. So I'm gonna get them to help me. I'm not gonna drive it up. Ronald, he normally drives it, not my bike. I don't want to take that chance. So I'm gonna push it up with the guys, and then once it's up, we'll lower it back down so it's standing on the trailer, and that'll be a wrap. So yeah, man. I know. I'm teaching. We might. Yep.
All right, the hard part.
Yeah. Let me get this. Let me get this strap. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that'll work. Phone ringing. Phone definitely ringing. I hear it.
Toussaint Customs, Mike speaking now.
Yeah, this is the hard part. This shouldn't be that bad. Last time I didn't, I don't think nobody was on it. Alright, we're gonna walk it up there. I'm not gonna ride it. I got the brake. It's on. It just slid the slingshot like it ain't nothing. Yeah. Alright.
Against that, so
yeah.
One of us
That's
it.
it. That's it. You still good? Yeah. Okay. I was supposed to strap through the thing. Yeah, this is it. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. and then this one, and then the back one I go through the motor, through the so we got it all on, strapped up. You can see it behind me. We're about to take it across the street to get it washed, and when he finished, we'll just check it. What in the world is going on? We'll just check it, make sure everything is good, and we'll roll out there. The gates open at 10. It's like 11 now, so you know, by 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, we should be heading out there. So let me do one more check before I go down this hill. Check, that's locked, that's locked. Pin in. All right, we good to go. We good to go. Right on over there.
Every time I'm about to hit something, happen all the time. Yeah, child support, paying bills, soldiers, nigga.
How you want me to put it? All right. All right, so we just dropped the bike off, and my shop is literally right there. The car wash is right down the street from me. So we just dropped it off. He gonna get it cleaned up, get that situation. I'm about to run to the store right quick. Make sure I got everything for the day, and that'll be it. That'll be it. So I'll see y'all soon. Have you ever had a lot of money that you wanted to spend and just didn't know what to do with it? Yeah, he has. My boy Ronald, boy, Black Benz, Black Card on Instagram. I'm gonna put the link down below so y'all can go follow him, show some love. This dude, hey, he believed in me day one. I tell you that. One of my best customers turned friends ever. This is all him. This is all his setup. He came to me. He was like, man, what can we do to just be different? He gave me the color he wanted. He knew what he wanted. He had a rough idea. I was like, man, look, I got something for you. How about you pull a bike with the slingshot? And that's pretty much how it started. He was like, man, you can do that, man. I can do that. I'm an engineer. If I can think it, I can build it, I can design it. And this is the result. I'm excited. And boy, the amount of hate that we have for this thing is love and hate. When I go to the car show, we'll take the whole setup and we'll take some more stuff. He got a booster this color, he got a old school this color. So when we go to the car shows, a lot of shows we get first place. We've been killing it, especially when it first came out. But man, it's love or hate. We get some. I'm talking about, they slaughtered me on Instagram, Facebook. Harley Davidson posted this setup. They posted a video of me cruising down the coast in Biloxi. And man, you talking about people out there talking about something. Oh man, whoever painted that, you need to take their paint gun away. Don't let them touch another Harley ever. Because it's a 30-inch rim and we going bigger. But pure enthusiasts, oh, they hate it. They ate this thing up. And the thing is when we built this and when we came up with this design, we didn't have no other person in mind. Frankly, it doesn't matter. Like, love it or hate it, we built this to show what you can do, to be different. Like, you don't see this ever, especially in Louisiana. So we did it to be different. We did it to show, you know, just like showmanship, workmanship, craftsmanship, like doing things, building things, and not just buying and just going to a show with what you bought. No, it's how creative can you be. So love it or hate it, a lot of people respect it, and we get a lot of trophies for it. Today I'm not going to enter it. I'm just going out there. I can't stay that long, so I'm gonna go out there, represent the company, talk to some people, spread the love, and we're gonna make it happen. And I'm gonna show some races. I can't wait to see some of the donks race, so we're gonna see what they do. It's been a lot of hype around this. So Jay Rambo, I'm gonna link him too, and Bearded Hemi. I have them. I'm gonna put their YouTube up too. I like to support my people, man. My people supported me and got me this far. So when I can, I give back. I support however I can. And right now, by putting a link, you know, that's the least I could do. So y'all gonna see the link. Let's get rolling. So I just changed into the away uniform. You see the logo, you see it. So we got everything hooked up. Bike back there. I don't know if you can see, yep. Bike back there. So we off to the show. Uh-oh, wrong gear. That's embarrassing. But yeah, we off to the show. And then look at the wall, look at the faces. People expressing, I don't know if you can see, everybody just like, what the world is that? Now I love it. I wouldn't, man, cars is just my passion. It's my absolute passion. So we're changing for the world. So What's up, bro? So how you just got monetized yesterday?
But I reached all the requirements. So
yeah.
You got to submit the application.
Yeah. Y'all know y'all seen this thing from Dunk Master Show if y'all watch it. This thing, man, in person is a monster. Man, look at the rims. That's what he ran on. look at that motor. Look at that motor. You talking about power? So me and my boy Ricky, Street King, man, we both came out here hungry as I don't know what. And I'm like, man, how I come to an event like this hungry? Tripping. So we on a mission. We going where the food at. We smell some good stuff, so we gonna find it.
If we gotta pay for it, we gonna get it.
Hey, we gonna pay for it. That's it. See, that's when you come to the track way too much. When you got a trailer like that, way too much. My boy Mike, he went. Hey, that's it. He went LWS, Louisiana Waste Services. That's who take care of all my waste service needs. So LWS, I'm gonna link them below. I'm gonna tag them so y'all will see it. I gotta get one. Hey, I'm serious.
You gotta come prepared. That's the ball right there.
And then it feels good. Like it, I thought it was gonna be hot, muggy.
That's just one. The other one, we ain't running the other. We're running one. I had both of them.
That's why it's important to network and have friends everywhere you go. My boy Mike, LWS, man. I just showed y'all the trailer. He hooked us up. He don't got nothing on the pot right now. Oh, he got the water in there for the second and third batch, but he hooked us up with the crawfish and boy, hey, huh?
Garlic.
Yeah, that's probably garlic. Hey, these are good. These probably some of the best I'd have tasted in Baton Rouge. Now I know when my wife see this video, she probably gonna be jealous. Cause she crawfish fanatic. She love it. She want crawfish today. So these are good. So shout out to my boy Mike. So we just finished eating the crawfish. Y'all see it. We the last people standing. I just told Ricky, how we the last people standing at somebody else's crawfish bar, man? These things, they hidden. They hidden.
No exaggeration.
Hey, am I exaggerating? Am I lying?
Like the young say, no cap.
Hey, no cap. Like this, man, this is good.
Put his foot in it.
Hey, I hope not, but this good.
Hey, they so good, he could have put his foot on. I'm gonna tell you.
Hey, for real. It don't matter what he did. Did he do it again, man? I had to ask him what his secret was. He told me a little bit, but I ain't about to share that with everybody. I'm gonna try it out first, and I'm gonna let y'all know. So stay tuned. But crawfish competition, oh, these gonna win. Oh, these are winning. This is a winning. This is a winning set.
He did his thing.
Yep. Almost died trying to get that footage, man. That stuff's so strong, I almost passed out. Oh no, here. What's good, y'all? What's up, man? Now we good. Now we live. Now we actually quiet.
Look, you know it's in the first verse, your boy Bearded Hemi. You know, Bearded Hemi, you dig. At the end of the day, look, y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to your boy on YouTube. I don't got my shirt on today, I just waste something on it. But I got this on, not today, Karen, you heard me? Go subscribe, YouTube, Bearded Hemi, and make sure y'all go follow my people Marcus at Toussaint Customs. You want some shit done right? That's where you go with them.
That's it. I told y'all I was gonna find them and put them on here. So I'm gonna link it down below. I'm gonna put his channel up so you'll be able to check it out. we had to give you this anyway, but that ain't why I came out here, man. But hey, shout out to them. I appreciate it. We definitely gonna add this to our rack, best bike. So we about to get this show on the road. We're gonna get this show on the road. I'm just checking everything. Check the straps, make sure the straps are good. So we good. We setting up. We rolling. We rolling. So, another successful event. That's what I'm talking about. Got it all safely back to the shop. I'm about to open up the bay door. I'm tired, man. I'm about to open up the bay door, pull the whole thing in. I talked to my guy, said earlier, he was able to deliver the Range Rover. Everything went perfect with that. It was a caliper job, so it all turned out great. So I'm about to put this in the shop and call it a night. I'm going home.